This is where Setmore truly shines beyond just appointment scheduling. It's not just about booking clients. It's about providing you with the insights you need to make informed business decisions. And one of the most fundamental insights for any business owner is their income. Knowing your monthly income on Setmore allows you to track your progress. Are you growing month over month? Are there seasonal trends impacting your revenue? Identify top-performing services. Which services are bringing in the most money? Should you focus more on promoting those? Understand staff performance. If you have multiple staff members, how are they contributing to the overall income? Plan for the future. Having a clear understanding of your past and current income is essential for setting realistic financial goals and making smart investments for your business. Simplify tax preparation. When tax season rolls around, having your income clearly laid out can save you hours of headaches. So, how exactly do you tap into this powerful financial reporting within Setmore? Let's dive in. The good news is, Setmore offers a few straightforward ways to see your monthly income, depending on how you prefer to view your data and how detailed you need that information to be. We'll cover the primary methods, starting with the quickest overview and then moving into more comprehensive reporting. Method 1. The Calendar Stats feature for a quick glance. Setmore's Calendar Stats feature is your go-to for a quick, at-a-glance view of your income. This is perfect for those daily or weekly check-ins to see how you're performing. To enable and view your calendar stats, you'll first need to be logged into your Setmore web app. Navigate to Settings. On the left-hand menu, you'll find a Settings option. Click on that. Go to Calendar Preferences. Within the Settings menu, look for Calendar Preferences and select it. Toggle on Show Income Stats. You'll see an option here to show income stats. Make sure this toggle is switched to the on position. Head to your calendar. Now, go back to your main calendar view. Switch to Agenda View. In the top left corner of your calendar, you'll usually see an icon with 3 lines. Click on this to open the Calendar View options and select Agenda View. View this week's income. At the bottom of your agenda view, you should now see a tally for this week's income. Now, here's the crucial part for monthly income. While this week's income is visible in the agenda view, the Calendar Stats feature is dynamic. If you change your calendar view to monthly, the stats will automatically adjust to show you monthly totals. So, once you're on your calendar, instead of agenda view, simply switch your calendar to the monthly view. You'll then see this month's income displayed, giving you that quick, real-time snapshot of your revenue for the current month. It's important to understand what these calendar stats represent. They typically show an income tally for appointments on your calendar, based on the sum of all appointment service costs. Setmore distinguishes between confirmed income, for appointments that have already occurred, and projected income, for appointments that have not yet occurred. This distinction is incredibly useful for forecasting. Method 2. Detailed income reporting via payment history and reports. While the calendar stats provide a great overview, for a more detailed breakdown of your monthly income, especially if you want to filter by specific criteria or export the data for further analysis, you'll want to delve into Setmore's payment history and reports sections. This is where you can truly dig into the numbers and gain deeper insights. Accessing payment history. This method is particularly powerful if you're using Setmore's payment integrations like Square, Stripe, or even the Setmore cash register for in-person payments. Log into the Setmore web app. Again, ensure you're using the web app for full functionality. Navigate to Settings, Payments. On the left menu, go to Settings, then select Payments. Click on Payment History. You'll find this option within the Payments section. Select a date range. Here's where you define monthly income. Use the date picker at the top center of the menu to select the specific month you want to review. For example, if you want to see July's income, select July 1st to July 31st. Filter and export. Optional but recommended. You can filter this data by various criteria, such as payment method or customer. For a comprehensive monthly income report, you'll likely want to click the Download as CSV button. This will export a spreadsheet containing all the transaction data for your chosen month, which you can then open in Excel or Google Sheets for further analysis, summation, or even integrate with your accounting software. This payment history will show you every transaction process through Setmore for that month, giving you a precise tally of your actual cash flow from appointments. Accessing appointment history and reports for service costs, even without direct payments. Even if you're not processing payments directly through Setmore, for instance, if you're taking payments via an external system or cash that isn't logged via the Setmore cash register, you can still get a very good estimate of your monthly income by exporting your appointment history and looking at the service costs. Log into the Setmore web app. Navigate to Settings Reports. On the left menu, click Settings, then Reports. Select a date range. Similar to payment history, use the date picker to choose your desired month. Filter by service, staff, or class session. Optional, this allows you to drill down into specific areas of your business, which can be incredibly insightful. For a full monthly income, you'll want to keep the filters broad initially. Click Generate. This will display the relevant appointment data for your chosen period. Click Export as .xls. This will download a spreadsheet, an Excel file, containing all the appointment data. Within this spreadsheet, you'll find columns for service cost or price. By summing these values for the month, you can calculate your total potential income from services rendered. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.